Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English with Asim. I hope you are all doing well. In today's lesson, we are going to learn 10 useful English sentences that you can use in your daily life. I will explain the meaning, pronunciation, and Urdu translation of each sentence. So make sure to watch this video until the end and practice these sentences with me. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's begin today's lesson. How are you doing today? I am learning English every day. Can you help me, please? What time does the meeting start? I would like a cup of tea. Where do you live? I am going to the market. Thank you for your support. It is a beautiful day today. Practice makes a man perfect. I hope you will enjoy this video. For more videos, subscribe our channel.